Alright, this morning on our VFR build, I want to focus on repairing our shift lever. So you might notice that's got an issue. It's missing our little foot peg part here. So I need to fix that. My plan is to repair it. We've got an example of another one over here. As you can see, it's missing this part here. The one we've got is aluminum. This one is steel. This also has a little rubber piece on the end. I wasn't really planning on putting a rubber piece on the end. I was going to just manufacture something that looks similar though, but it would be all aluminum. And I was going to do that with this aluminum rod here. So first I got to grab this off of here. It's already loose. There's a pinch bolt on here, but I've loosened that in previous times. You got to take the pinch bolt all the way out though to get this off. Alright, so if we take a good look at our friend here, see what he's sort of made of. It's nice and lightweight. I have a spot here where there was something that broke off. But yeah, my thought was to drill this section here out and then make a pedal out of this stuff, just a little tiny pedal that would then go on the end here. I'll have a little extension on the end of the pedal that will fit in our drilled out hole here, and then I can spot weld it on the back there. And then... All right, so we're going to use my mill here first. I want to get our foot peg thing set up in here, hopefully in such a way that I can use the mill and drill down through there. It's probably not necessary. I probably could do it with the drill press, but I'd like to use the mill. I'm trying to remember how this thing works. Alright, so it's probably not the most professional setup here, but I don't claim to be a machinist in any realm at all. I just happen to have this cool mill. So I'm going to try and use it, and learn something maybe. But yeah, that's my plan, just to drill it out. I've got an end mill on there, and drill that guy out, and then we'll go from there. Not the best. I could have done a better job on that probably, because yeah, it was moving around. The end of this is moving around, and that's not good. So we ended up with not a precise hole like I was hoping. Yeah, so on the one side, it looks brilliant. The other side, it got all wobbly out there because I didn't have this secured. On the sides, I only had it secured way down here, so this was allowed to move, and that's what happened. Now we're going to switch stuff from the mill to the lathe is where we're going. And get it in the chuck, tighten that down. And I'm going to drill a hole, small hole in the end there. Just a little nub. A little center drill, center hole drill. I'm just trying to get stuff set up so I can put a live center on there or whatever, and have the live center something to stick into there. Alright, so our goal basically is to make this little rubber part here, but in aluminum. And so I need to shave our aluminum rod over there is much bigger, a little bit bigger than this guy in diameter. I need to shave that down so it's closer to this guy. So that's going to be my first step, is just to shave that down a bit. Well, I'm a little bummed out because I thought I had a knurling tool. I was going to knurl this part here, but I cannot find that knurling tool. Alright, I would like to knurl this because I've never knurled anything before and life is short and I'd like to try it out. And this is a great opportunity. So I'm going to order a knurling tool, and then we're going to put this thing on pause and we'll continue this project later.